Your quest for the perfect home ends here. Tucked away in a secure, maintenance-free gated community, this spacious corner unit boasts the largest floor plan available. Ideal for families, the downstairs area features a modern kitchen with a breakfast bar, a dining area, a large family room, and an updated half bath. The large family room boasts huge slider doors leading to a large screen in lanai. Upstairs you'll find 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The generous master suite includes a large bedroom closet, a master bathroom with a double vanity sink, and a sizable linen closet. The other 2 spacious bedrooms are located at the opposite end of the hall, one featuring a large walk-in closet. The conveniently located upstairs laundry includes all necessary appliances, making move-in easy. With a low HOA fee of just $220 per month, enjoy included water, sewer, and trash services, as well as access to a community pool and playground. This peaceful, well-kept community is centrally located near shopping, restaurants, the local YMCA, Sam's Club, Walmart, Marshall's, St. Joseph's Hospital, and more. Quick access to I-75, U.S. Highway 301, and U.S. Highway 41 simplifies commutes to Tampa, St. Petersburg, Clearwater, Bradenton, and Sarasota. Your family will love the community pool and playground.